Here we have a brand new 2024 Transit 350. As you can see, she has a high roof extended. Let's check out the old spec sheet. 24 350 high roof cargo, rear wheel drive, 148 wheelbase with the extended body that gives you 12 feet behind the driver. 3.5 V6 gas. The optional equipment we put on from the factory, 410 limited slip axle, rear compartment lighting, front license plate bracket if you live in a front plate state, the tie down cargo hooks, front fog lamps, the 9500 gross vehicle weight rating package, the B-pillar assist handles, backup alarm that means she goes beep beep when you throw her in reverse, bulkhead with lockable door, nice composite nap-hide bulkhead, we'll show you that, long arm power heated mirrors, the HD cargo flooring, that's for slamming pallets in all day, extended fuel tank, 31 gallons of gas, D-pillar assist handle, front overhead shelf, 2 additional keys, giving you 4 in total. It makes it employee proof, heavy duty scuff plate kit, load area protection package. Let's check her out. Front here, you can see you got your fog lamps down there. There's your long arm power heated mirrors, your turn signal, and a very good blind spot mirror on there. Let's go inside. Out of that wind, there's your Sync 3. It's got Bluetooth. It'll connect up to your phones. USB 12 volt over there. Another USB and 12 volt option here. One of my favorites, the front overhead shelf. Now you got a place to put things. See here, here's your switch for your backlight and the LEDs there. Lockable bulkhead. Nice fancy nap-hide composite all the way to the top. That means you're just having to heat and cool the front up here. Open her on up. Look at all that space. As I mentioned, this is the extended body, so from the driver back you got a full 12 feet of cargo space. See, there's no glass, proper cargo body. Let's go on back. This is a manual slide door. There's your B-pillar assist handle for getting up there. High quality composite bulkhead. HD flooring. You can see you got your cargo hooks, your tie downs. If you want to add more, those holes there, those are threaded. If you want to go ahead and add some more in, you're welcome to do it. Let's go check out the wall protection here. This is to protect the walls from getting beat up from the cargo. This is easily removable if you wanted to add in E-tracks, shelving, put a ladder rack on the inside up top, on the outside, whatever you want to do. It's your van. We're here to help. We knock out pretty much all upfits in-house with a very quick turnaround. The goal is no downtime for you. Let's go around to the back. You can see here she's got the 253-degree rear opening. Let's pop her open. You can leave her in that position if you want, or if you need more space, hit the unlock, swing on around. That magnet's right up. And this door here, so you can leave it in that position if you like. And just lock it there, and it ain't going nowhere. Here's your rear light switch for your LED lighting up top. Press the button, turn that on. 3 rows of lights. Being a high roof, she has a high mounted backup camera. Very handy for this thing. Here's your D-pillar assist handles. This one does not yet have a tow package. We can install that for you, no problems, just like any other upfit. Shelving, ladder racks, trade kits for HVAC, electricians, whatever. We do all that here in-house for you. Let's do a quick walk around. Yeah, like that. Let's mention there's no glass on this one, it's just a cargo body. Let's go up to the front, check out the old payload. This girl right here, you get just under 3,500 pounds of payload. You can reach me at 404-729-1374. We are in Atlanta. If you want to drive her home, I'll pick you up at the airport, or I can put her on a flatbed, send her anywhere in the country for you. All the information for this van and our contact info will be down in the description. As you can see, we We're a high volume transit dealer. Anything you need, let me know. Happy to build it for you. Happy to outfit for you.